Hello, welcome to Apsana classes. Today in this video, let's discuss about the logic gates and the universal gates. So, to build a logic, to build a decision, so we need some logic gates. So, the basic logic gates that we have are OR gate, AND gate, and NOT gate. So, the universal gates are nothing but NAND and NOR. So these gates are called as a universal gates because they are the building block of the whole circuit. Any circuit can be built only using the NAND gates and NOR gates too. So it is called as a universal gates. Other than logic gates and a universal basic logic gates, these are basic logic gates. Other than the basic logic gates and the universal gates, we have another gates, that is the exclusive OR gate and NOR gate. So we'll also discuss about this in this class. So first of all, OR gate. So what is OR gate? So the OR gate performs the logical addition operation. So it is the addition operation functions, commonly known as OR function. So the OR gate has two or more inputs and only one output. So addition means, for example, the symbol of the logic gate of OR is this. So you can give many inputs. So I am giving AB, then output is A plus B because it is an addition function, right? So the truth table. So how to get the truth table? So the combination of the truth tables depends upon the variables of the input that we have given. I mean number of the inputs that we have given. So we are given the two inputs. So the combination that it gets in this case are 4. So means 2 power n. So the number of the inputs. So 2 power n means here we are given two inputs AB. So 2 power 2 is equal to 4. So we get the 4 combinations. If you are given the 3 inputs, then you can get the 8 combinations for the 3 inputs. Okay, we have taken the AB, right? So the inputs and output. So the inputs we have here are A, B, and the output that we get is A plus B. So the inputs as AB, the combinations are 4. Okay, then 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. So the outputs are 0, 1, 1, 1. So if you see here, if the two inputs are low, then output is low. If the two inputs are high, then output is high. If any one of the input is high, then output is high. So this is about the OR gate truth table. Then next one is AND gate. AND gate. So AND gate performs the logical multiplication operation. So it is commonly known as the AND function. So the AND gate has two or more inputs and a single output. So the symbol for the AND gate is this. You can give any inputs, many inputs, but you get the one output, that is A dot B as in the multiplication, A dot B, as I am taking AB as inputs. So the same, the combinations get by 2 power n, where n are the number of the variables, input variables that we have taken. So the truth table for the AND gate, as I am taking the inputs AB, the combinations are 4 and the output will be A dot B, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. Then the output will be 0, 0, 0, 1. If you see here, when one input is low, any one input is low, then output is low. See, any input is low, then output is low. If two inputs are low, then output is low. If two inputs are high, then output is high. So this is about the AND gate. So what is the NOT gate? NOT gate. It is also called as inverter, means opposite, it does. So the purpose of this gate is to convert the one logic level into the opposite logic level. So if you want to give, if you want to give 1 but you want 0 as the receiver, then you can use the NOT gate to get the inverted logic. So it has one input and it has one output. So the symbol is this. Only one input and one output. If you give A, you get A bar. If you give A bar, you get A. Means 1, 0, 0, 1. The truth table is if input, output, okay. Input is A, output will be A bar. So if you give 0, you get 1. If you get 0, if you give 1, you get 0. Next, so these are about the basic logic gates. Now let's discuss about the universal gate, that is the NAND and NOR. So what is the NAND gate? NAND gate. NAND gate is a contradiction of NOT and AND gate. It is nothing but the complement. It is the NAND gate is complement of AND gate. So how you will get the invert? So if you give AND gate, you will get invert operation, right? So for that it is said NAND gate is contraction of NOT and AND gate. So what is the output of AND gate? A dot B. But NAND is the complement of AND. So the output of AND gate will be complement of AND gate. So A dot B bar. Okay. Then how? See how, what is its truth table? Before truth table, what is the symbol? So symbol, I told that NOT and AND implies NAND. So what is the symbol for the NAND gate? AND gate, and then for complementing NOT. So if you take two inputs, then you get A dot B full bar. It is also drawn as with bubble. If you indicate a bubble here, it is nothing but it implies inverting operation. Okay. A dot B bar. If you give input AB. So what is the truth table? Truth table has inputs and outputs. If inputs are AB, their combinations are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. But the output will be A dot B whole bar, means opposite to AND gate, right? So AND gate truth table is this 0, 0, 0, 1. So here you will get 1, 1, 0. So same as NOR gate. So NOR gate is nothing but complement of OR gate, where it is said that it is contraction of NOT and OR gate. So you can draw as symbol, the symbol you can draw. So it is the symbol for the OR gate. So as it is complement, you need to put NOT. Then you will get A plus B whole bar, as it is complement of OR, which is NOR. Here the inputs are AB. So it is equivalent to bubble. So bubble implies inversion operation. So a plus b whole bar. If inputs are ab. If inputs are ab. So what is the truth table? For the inputs and output AB. So AB, we get the four combination 0 0 0 1 1 0 and then 1 1. So the output is the opposite, means complement of OR. So what is the outputs of OR? So outputs of OR are 0 1 1 1. Then here we get 1 0 0 0, right? A plus B whole bar means 1 0 0 0. Fine. And then next, exclusive OR gates. Exclusive OR gates. So exclusive OR gates, OR gate means if the input is AB, then its output will be the form of A exclusive OR B, means A bar B plus A B bar. The output will be in this form. So it is called as exclusive OR gate. So I told you that it is the exclusive gates are built by basic logic gates. So what are the basic logic gates? AND, OR and NOT. So here the exclusive OR gates are can be built by AND, OR and NOT gates. Nothing but this is it. NOT gate, NOT gate. See here, what is this? A dot B means which gate? NOT gate. For the NOT gate, I have to give what are the inputs? A bar. So for that I took A. Here I get A bar, and then B is common B. Okay, fine. Here in this side, in this term, A dot B bar. So the bar is for B, right? Okay, fine. B bar, and then A as S. But the addition, we have to add both these. So you have to use OR gate. So you have to use OR gate. Then you will get exclusive OR gate. XOR gate is nothing but XOR gate. So A bar B, A B bar. Here you get A bar B plus A B bar. Okay, this is about the exclusive OR gate. Let's see its truth table. So if the inputs are AB, so we will get the four combinations. Those are 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Then the output will be, and this is the input, will be 0 1 1 0. Why so? See, if you substitute 0 0 in this equation, you will get this only. Make sure you have to do this. Then you will get the complete understanding of the exclusive OR gates. So for two inputs are same, if the two inputs are same, either high or low, the output will be low. If the two inputs are opposite one, then you will get high at the output. So exclusive NOR gate is the completely opposite of exclusive OR gate. So I forgot to tell you, the exclusive OR gate symbol is this. If AB, then A XOR B. Next one, exclusive NOR gate. Exclusive NOR gate, which means XNOR gate. This is a completely complement of XOR gate. So the symbol can be represented with bubble, which represent the inversion. Fine. Okay. The inputs are A, B. The output of the XOR gate is A XOR B, but as it is X naught, which is complement, right? Okay, fine. Okay, for the same, the circuit, if you would like to draw the circuit using the basic building blocks, you have to put NOT gate here for the inversion, right? Then come here. But here, this equation B equal to A bar B bar plus AB. Then you have to also change the inputs here too. Okay. How will you get? First we have to put the two NOT gates for the one AND gate, and AND gate will be common simply AB. Then you have to give those to the OR gate, and one NOT gate you have to put to represent the this equation, means represent the XOR gate using the basic logic gates, and finally truth table. So truth table, if you take AB, the combination will be 4, that is a 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Then output will be AX naught B. Here it is the opposite, so 1 0 0 1, the output of this X naught. 1 0 0 1. So this is about the all gates, basic logic gates, and universal gates and the exclusive gates. I'll tell you the implementations of the exclusive, like universal gates using representation of and NOT gates using the NAND gates and NOR gates. I'll tell you in the next class. This is nothing but if you would like to represent the OR gate in the NAND gate, you have to use the one AND gate. If you would like to represent the AND gate using the NAND gates, you have to use the two NAND gates. If you would like to represent the NOR gate using only NAND gates, you have to represent the using 3 AND gates. I'll tell you in the next class. This is nothing but the realizations of the NAND gate and NOR gate for or and NOT gates. Is simple. I will explain in the next class. Thank you for watching. Hope you understood. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.